Peeling off 5 security layers of QuickBooks Cloud Hosting. Explore the 5 essential security layers that protect your data and make QuickBooks Cloud Hosting a trusted, secure choice for businesses. Two-factor authentication enhances security with password and secondary verification, protecting client data and secure remote access to QuickBooks. Role-based access restricts access by roles and limits privileges, enhances control, and protects sensitive data with customizable security for CPAs and accountants. Best-in-class IT infrastructure ensures 24/7 data protection with firewalls, encryption, and secure access from any device, offering a flexible alternative to on-premises setups. Data encryption protects sensitive data in transit and at rest, securing operations, preventing attacks, and enabling safe remote access. Rolling backup automates regular backups, enabling quick file restoration, reducing human error, and complementing other security measures for complete protection. Are you seeking a reliable and secure hosting solution for QuickBooks Desktop? Choose Ace Cloud Hosting and get a customized QuickBooks hosting solution designed to drive your business success.